away we go.
Put some side lights on.
Out of bounds. Wow, you don't see signs like that very often.
No, you don't.
It's like you go into a whole different world,
isn't it?
Like when you go past these parts.
100%.
So as I think everyone was aware, the flags were meant to be down this weekend, but as you can see, they are flying high. So unfortunately, we can't go across the middle of the plain. And just bear that in mind if you're coming up yourself sometime. If those flags are up, regardless of what the calendar says, stay well clear. Cheers for that.
Could you imagine if you didn't know that?
Well, I was going to say, we wouldn't, would we?
Yeah, because
without Googling.
No, I was going to say, it's funny because when we got signed up to, must have been Glass, in the bump that got sent, this is what I was telling you about, there was a whole leaflet about the planes.
Right.
And it was quite interesting because it tells you about different flag colours and everything and what it all means.
Right.
This is what I was saying, it's like, it's worth a little read.
Yeah, definitely.
Not that we'd come down this area on our own anyway,
No.
but on our own. But it's just, I just found it interesting. Because even when you drive on the plane, there's obviously rules and whatnot to abide by.
It's just fascinating how, like, one thing says there's no activity, yet the flags are like, no, there's something.
They've changed their mind for some reason.
Yeah, something's happening on there. Or
and it's not as if you can miss the flags.
Yeah, I was going to say,
they're pretty damn obvious, aren't they?
Something like that you wouldn't just forget to put down.
No. It's just crazy that
It'd be epic if we just saw a tank passing right now. Do you think they get right of way?
Yeah, I can imagine so.
Put it this way, if they did or didn't, I don't think it'd matter.
They'll come straight over the top of you.
Exactly.
It's like basically that's a byway, it's like, but you can't use that just now sort of thing.
I haven't really spent the time thinking it through, but I'm assuming that is the Devices White Horse over on the far left hillside.
Am I going blind?
Yeah. Is that
oh, over there.
Barge in?
Yeah.
Yes, potentially. Isn't it Alton Barn? Yeah, that's it. See the Publix over on the far hill, way over to that left side. That's the far side of that is where the Tyrrell White Horse is.
Wow. That's good. It's fascinating. We was around these parts and we googled it about like all the different white horses and that.
Definitely. It's crazy how many there is actually, isn't it?
Do you think there's a plate?
Right on the right is where they hang D2 drivers who misbehave.
Just look a bit like a hanging thing, don't it? I just realised the 3 standard height ones are in the middle, being us, Andrew and Claire.
It's
almost like it's thought out.
It's almost like it's been purposely formed when it hasn't. It's by pure chance.
But it's interesting about the wheel bearing.
Yes, that's something for us definitely to think
For anyone who
about.
wants to stay on the hard standing, it's straight ahead. For anyone who wants to come on the permissive with a bit of mud and water, it's over this way.
Permissive?
Permissive, every day of the week.
Let's go for it.
Don't know what program that's in.
I'm going the wrong way.
Looks like it needs to be rotated one more.
Mud. I'll look in a minute.
Yeah.
Come back, Joel.
Promised mud and water is actually bone dry.
That sounds good to us. We're following behind you, Joel.
That's quite 30.
I suppose you didn't half and half it.
I was tempted. But I didn't know what that would be like.
It's alright, we're fine. I just realised we've got a winch in front and a winch behind. Look at that.
I'm going to fall in the rut, yeah, but it's just that bit looked quite deep. There we go, go back to.
Look at that.
I can't believe how dry it is.
Yeah, because it has rained.
I'm
waiting for it just to stop.
It's when the front front starts catching as well.
Yes. Oh, this could be interesting. Yeah. Ah. I'm waiting for a number plate to appear behind us.
I wouldn't see it even if it was. Ah, we're all good.
Oh,
All gravy.
oh, good. Do you know what? Joel makes this look so easy.
Yeah, 100%.
Who says you need a lifted Freelander to do off-road?
There's a little part of me doesn't want to lift
Yeah,
this, annoyingly. There's so many instances where it would be good for peace of mind, obviously.
Yeah.
But
Oh, this is gonna be fun. Oh.
it's alright. I've kind of got to keep my foot in, that's all I can do.
It makes me laugh, the sound.
I know. That's fine.
It's all good.
It was worse at billing, that's the thing. It's
Yeah.
like I've got billing in my mind. It's like, you know, that was way worse. So it's like, this is
100%.
absolutely fine. I did want a bit of water though.
Yes.
A bit of water would have been great.
Ready?
This is going to be a bit of a twisty.
Yes.
Wee! Wee! Quite like that, that's quite good fun.
Oh, loving life.
Standard Freelanders rule. I know this part of me just wants to change the suspension and not lift
Yeah,
it
I
yet,
know.
because I do like how much this car can do.
Yes. But I feel like it's inevitable at some point we're going to rip a fuel line
Yeah,
or
probably.
a brake line or something like that's going to come off. And I feel like if we get stuck with something like that, we're going to be going, why?
Yeah, 100%. See, that's a skill, to be able to video or whatever out of the window whilst moving.
That is a skill. Oh, I see.
Oh, that's quite cool, isn't it?
Love it.
I'd drop my phone if I tried doing that.
100%. I daren't do something like
You'd
that.
just see the phone go tumbling. Oh, blimey.
100%.
Do you know the other thing that's like a bit interesting?
What's that?
Being standard and like riding the ruts.
Yes.
Not trying to avoid them, you know.
I feel like, you know that other guy we watched video?
Coal here is normally full of water, you know, kind of over the bonnet type.
Oh wow. What water?
Wow, it shows the season. Wow.
You ready for the sploosh? Tiny sploosh.
Sploosh! Video effects of water going everywhere.
Even we can't get stuck in that.
But you
I don't think Michelle will ever let him forget that.
that guy.
That would make quite a good video.
Yeah.
The people though to damage an engine, I mean they were the people to go and do it, as they can put a new one in themselves.
Boy.
Oh.
Blimey.
Well, at least we cleaned the underneath.
That didn't look half as
With
bad.
your snorkel, Joel.
Definitely enjoying it, that's for sure.
You hear it from here.
But yeah, I think that this guy, it might have been somewhere like this that he tried to get out of the ruts.
Oh, yeah.
Do you
it might
remember?
be, yeah.
Because he was going in the water and he just kept falling back
Yeah,
in.
it could be. Just shows
The
how.
rain we've had the last few days, I can't believe it's not more wet.
It does seem a bit odd, like we have had rain, or I don't know if you have down here, but like how bone dry it seems like there's just been no water here whatsoever.
Oh, this could be interesting. Look. Not so much the water, it's just. Oh no, it's not too bad actually. I thought it looked really rutty. Not rutty, but you know.
Yeah.
What's the difference between a permissive byway and a like just a byway?
I'm guessing it's because you got permission.
Oh, maybe.
Like you have to have permission to be able to go.
I've always
I
just
don't
thought
know.
byways.
Something for us to Google, that's for sure. Thumpy thumpity thump thump.
Does sound awful.
Sorry, Freelander.
Thanks, Money Mods.
Thanks, Money Mod. Sorry, Freelander. You're doing good.
Taking it like a champ. Oh, yeah. Yay.
I do like the way that this is one of them choices that once you've committed to it, like, you can't then stop.
Not for many points. Some
Because
points you can.
I don't know if you could cross that without there being
No,
a
I
dip
don't
in
mean
the
there,
middle.
but I mean some places you can get across.
Yeah.
Ooh,
Ouch.
that one sounded pretty.
It's when you lose an exhaust hanger.
Oh, could you imagine? Just lose the whole back box.
Exactly.
Drive by.
It sounded like a V8.
Wouldn't it? That'd be funny.
Yay.
It's funny how it's like, in terms of Joel's speed, can't even come close.
Yeah, exactly.
Not speed, but you know, pace.
Turning out to be quite pleasant after a damp start. Yeah, it's really quite nice now.
Oh, this sounds good. How's your face? I think we're planed off the top now.
Jesus Christ. Oh. I can feel it trying to stop the car. That's the thing that gets me.
Ready? Oh.
It's trying to keep the car so central.
Yeah.
Oh god, this is going to be fun. Look.
I bet you can't get out either.
There's no rock and go,
No.
Scott. Look at the back.
Look at that. Hey. Oh.
Ow.
I like the way suspension's doing nothing right now. It's all on the guards. Oh.
Oh. Who says you need to be lifted? Oh gosh. It's when I say that, it's like,
Yeah.
oh, stuck. You ready?
Yeah.
Look at the dip. Oh.
Yeah.
Like a champ. Good girl.
Ready?
Hey.
Hey.
Oh, that's a nice gradual one.
Yeah.
I should really try and get out of these ruts. But I can't.
Oh. That's a soundtrack. Oh. Oh. Thanks, Muddy Mods.
I'm waiting for Russ to stop and Gary to be like, you do realise you left part of your car behind.
A few gorges there, Alana.
Ouch.
I'm not sure if there's been a bit yet where we haven't crouched across it, but at least anyone that follows us, it's now an inch lower than what it used to be, this rut.
Get a top edge off, are you?
In the gardening.
We're going to nickname this car the Plough, I think.
The plough.
Love to see that as a sticker on the back window.
Am I glad that we took this side? Yes, I am.
100%. If you wanted to abort, there was your choice.
Yeah, I'm fine, thanks. Oh my lordy.
Wow.
I like the way on that sign it said sudden noise. What is it? You
What?
might hear gunfire all of a
Some
sudden.
noise. Do they know our car's coming along
Yeah.
here? Thud, bang, crash.
Taking it like a champ.
Well, we hope it is. We haven't looked underneath yet.
Oh, look at that view in front.
That's quality.
You okay, Phil? Can't see you there. Trundling along.
If I can stay out the rut, I'll give her a little bit of a breather for a minute. Obviously, there's no guarantee.
100%.
For falling, it's going to be a bit of a thud.
Yeah. It's when you almost want to run one tyre in there, like your tyre in there.
Oh wow, look at that for a divot. Oh, this is going to be fun.
Yeah, it is. You got this.
On the track now.
Scott.
You're good. All good. All good.
Fighting it a little bit.
Little bit.
Back wheel's going in, I think. Oh no, it might have just taken it.
See? All good.
It just felt like the back wheel was going in. You can go your own way. Oh look, it's got water.
Yay!
You ready for a swim?
I'm not sure if yay or oh no's coming to mind right now.
Grand. How deep? Oh, look at the steam from Joel's car.
Wow.
Thank you, Joel.
You want to take a photo if you're going through the water?
Sure, stop.
Oi!
That's one way to stop, I guess.
Do you want to jump out while I go through?
Yeah.
Get the camera if you
Oh.
want.
Go through, stick to the left.
Stick to that.
Wait a minute, let me.
Yeah. Like a champ. Good girl.